Efcc don go drag Bobrisky comot for inside aeroplane as oga madam wan japa go London. Efcc pipo bin tight face ask oga madam say oga you wan dey whine us, wetin dey live for inside dis your small body sef? Dem tok say shebi oga madam no fit keep quiet as him don use mouth dey put dem for inside trouble, na oga madam still wan japa go London. Una remember say Nigeria immigration bin give am bail, tok say make him dey for low queue, say anytime wey dem need am dem go call am. Now oga na wan use sense for dem take dodge dem japa go London. Now I know say na people wey know Bobrisky na dem dey put am for inside trouble. Bobrisky bin don survive enter airport, even enter plane. Na come still go jam people wey be say dem dey open teeth for am say dem love am. Na dey snap picture with am come post am for their status. Pack am, na Efcc go see their status, come rush go airport, enter the plane, go drag am come down. Na Bobrisky come begin dey cry, dey tell Nigerian people say make dem biko help am o. He talk say Efcc people say dem don wound am. See Bobrisky, see trouble. The last time wey Bobrisky bin wan japa comot for Nigeria, Bobrisky bin wan travel through the land, na Nigeria immigration bin catch am. Now he wan fly through the air, na Efcc still go catch am. Now e be like say next time wey our brother in the sisterhood, next time wey be say him go wan travel, e be like say na swim oga madam go take swim take japa.